10 Secrets to Practice to be a Millionaire. Hello viewers, exciting to have you for this incredible video, how rich and successful people behave differently than everyone else. It's these changes they've made to their daily lives that allows them to maintain, focus and be as productive as they are. By the end of this video, you should have a complete list of these habits. So, without wasting your time, let's dive in. Get up early. Over 80% of rich and successful individuals sleep less than 7 hours per night. The more time you spend awake, the more time you have at your disposal to get things done and enjoy the time. Getting up late can actually end up being less productive. Getting up early works incredibly well for people who know exactly what they have to do that particular day. This is a simple change that begins to build discipline within you and allows you the first element of order in your life. Waking up early gives you extra hours in a day which can be utilized in doing extra work while others are sleeping. Number 2. Exercise daily. In order for your body to work at its full potential, you need to be in great physical shape. Exercise gets the blood going through your body and activates those internal juices that make you feel amazing. Almost all of the successful people choose to include this workout in the morning after they wake up. Statistically speaking, 3 out of 4 wealthy individuals engaged in 30 minutes or more of aerobic activity, 4 days a week, get your body moving for at least 30 minutes. The top 3 physical activities chosen by the rich are, a gym workout, running or cycling, and yoga. Moving on to third secret. Meditation. Almost all of rich and successful people attribute their success to making their decisions from a place of clear-headedness. Meditation trains the mind to make better decisions, to find creative solutions from the problems you're encountering in your lives. Meditation reduces stress, controls anxiety, enhances self-awareness and other factors essential for the success of being. Moving on to fourth secret. Plan your day and stick to it. Normal people have a rough to-do lists of the things they should get done this week, or this month. Whereas, the rich and wealthy take it a step further and have their day broken down into clear activities. They schedule as much of their day as possible and stick to that schedule religiously. As you wake up, it allows you to hit the ground running because you already know what you're doing today, and you're not going to waste time. Moving on to fifth secret. Keep learning and reading books. Rich people read on average about 50 books per year. While a normal person reads about just 1, rich people invest in training and coaches. The most valuable thing they can do is to use their money, to invest in themselves. Imagine spending a couple $1,000s and buying yourself a skill that will be with you for the rest of your life. Any amount that changes something in you for the better is worth paying because even the smallest change can reap massive benefits. Moving on to sixth secret. Learning financial knowledge. First of all, average people have no idea what a financial tree is. To simplify, we can say it's the journey of the money you have in your life. From your creation to expenditure. You have a couple of routes that generate income your way and spread it out into different segments of your life. Rich people understand exactly how much money they're making and where is it going. Some goes to livelihood expenses, some to investments, some to savings, and so on. All this clarity allows them to always make better financial decisions, while everybody else has no idea how much money they spent on food in the last 2 weeks, or just how much it costs them to maintain their current lifestyle. Moving on to seventh secret. Pay yourself first. Speaking of financial knowledge, here's something really interesting. Almost all wealthy individuals segregate a share from their income and invest that money into stocks, bonds, funds. This is one of those fundamental things you learn early on in your journey to building wealth, to save 10 to 20% of your income. This is usually the amount of money you waste during the month. The more of these habits you can install into your life, the quicker you'll see change happen. Moving on to eighth secret. Control your emotions. Rich and successful people make their decisions based on reason and optimal outcome. The more you're able to maintain a clear head and not allow your emotions to take over, the smoother is your life. Emotion is a driving force which allows us to overcome even the most difficult obstacles. But if mismanaged, could end up your entire life upside down. There's power in the ability to control your emotions, and those who yield it will always come out ahead. Moving on to ninth secret. Keep track of your goals. Every successful person out there has goals, not wishes. Goals are different because it's something you can add to a timeline. If everything goes according to the timeline, you will hit your goal. The rich and successful write down their goals. They set for themselves. When you're defining exactly where and what your life needs to be like with goals, it's a lot easier to maintain focus. Moving on to 10th secret. Number 10. Don't wait to take action. Life isn't as complicated as you think it is. If you know this is the right thing to do right now, that taking a particular action will benefit you in the future, and you're able to make this call, don't wait, and take action. Every one of you has several things they know they should be taking action on: starting a blog,